Hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to send dogs from Telegram wallet to Binance. So step 1, get your dog's deposit address on Binance, then log in into your Binance account via the app or website. Go to wallet, fiat, and spot, search for dogs or Dogel and Mars. In the asset list, click on deposit and select dogs ERC-20 or other network as per your Telegram wallet. Copy the dog and deposit address that Binance provides. Open the Telegram wallet, open your Telegram app, and go to your wallet bot such as at wallet. Once the wallet is open, choose the send option for dogs or the Galan Mars. Paste the Binance dogs deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient address field, then enter the amount of dogs you want to transfer. Step 3 is to confirm and send. Double check that the deposit address and amount are correct. Confirm the transaction and any associated network fees. Once confirmed, send the transaction and it should be complete and you can see it in your account. And yeah guys, that is our tutorial for today. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.